Hey, what is up you guys? Okay, as you can tell by the title of this video, we have done it, alright? We have made the milestone, we've reached 5,000 subscribers, alright? So I just wanted to put this video up there just to say a massive thank you to you all and the support that you guys have given me and the fact that you have stuck by me through everything that was going on last year, and when I've not been able to upload and I haven't been able to get the right requests and then my guitar broke and then my phone broke. It was just an absolute nightmare, but you guys have stuck by me and I just want to say a massive thank you, especially to the people that have been there from the very start. It really properly warms my heart to see the comments that you guys are leaving on my videos. And I just honestly wanted to say thank you so much, alright? So this is where I put it to you guys, alright? I want to do something for my 5k, alright? It's 5,000 subscribers. It's a massive milestone. So if you guys have any ideas at all on what you would like from me from this 5k, alright? If you want me to do a giveaway, you want me to do a specific live stream, Skype calls, anything you guys want, alright? Just hit me up in that inappropriately placed comment section down there and tell me what you guys want to see, alright? This is my time to give back to you for your guys' support, alright? So 5,000 subs, guys, alright? It is insane. And you know what? I reckon by the end of this month, we'll have reached another milestone of a total of 750,000 views as well. Mind blown, guys. Alright, so please leave something in that comment section down there, alright, for what you guys want to see for the 5k, alright? Whatever comment gets the most amount of thumbs up is what we will be doing. Like I said, whether it's a giveaway, whether it's a specific live stream, a specific video, it can be anything you guys want, alright? Just as my way of saying thank you to you all, alright? Anyway, I'm going to be learning some more songs this afternoon, so there should be some tutorials coming up real soon as well, guys, because I've also got my new guitar, so we're going to be cooking with gas. Alright guys, well, I look forward to seeing you all in my next video, and thanks again. I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. You guys are my world. So, see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.